Why do some people snore so loudly while they sleep? You see, most people think it is just a silly noise or someone sleeping in a strange position. But snoring is not random. It actually starts deep inside your throat when your body begins to relax. So what is really making that sound? I will tell you. But if you have ever heard someone snore through the night, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat loosen up and your airway gets smaller. Air still needs to pass through, so it pushes against the soft tissue. That tissue starts to shake, and those tiny vibrations turn into the loud snoring sound you hear.